Hello students, continuing with the lesson 4 using tables in MS Access. In my previous video, I have explained that in Access, data is stored in tables. A table is a set of columns and rows with each column referred to as a field. And the tables form an integral part of database and store all the information. And all the data is in a table should refer to the same or related topic. And there are two views in Access. That is a design view that is used to define the fields, data types and description of the field. And in datasheet view is this view is used to add, edit, delete or view records. Now in this video I will explore the topic creating the table with a design view. We can use design view to create or modify an Access table. In the design view of tables, we have to fill the field name and data type, but field description is optional. Apart from this, a section of field properties is available that can be specified according to your requirement. So first field is field name. Field names. The field name column specifies some name for the field. The name can be practically anything desired by you, with an exception of not repeating names in the same table. We should keep in mind following rules while giving field name. A field name can range from 1 to 64 characters. A field name include alphabets, numbers and some special character like underscore sign only. Next, it can be the upper, lower or mixed case, and it should not start with a blank space. Next, it cannot have a period, explanation, bracket or special sign. Next field is data types. Data types are rules that define what data may be stored in a column and how that data is actually stored. The following table shows all the available data types. Short text. It is a string of characters used to store alphanumeric data. Alphanumeric data means numeric plus alphabets, like your car number, scooter number, etc. Long text stores lengthy text, and number stores the numeric data only. Date and time stores date and time. Currency, a special numeric data type used for monetary values. Next is auto number, uniquely sequential number, incrementing by 1 automatically inserted when a record is added. Next data type is yes and no. Fields that will contain only 1 or 2 values, such as yes and no, true or false, on or off, containing size 1 bit. Next is a lookup wizard, creates a field that allow you to peep into fields from other tables. Its size is 4 bytes. Next is description. A short description about the field can be entered in this column, but it is optional. And it has at the last it has a field properties. Each field in a table has its own set of properties and they further define the field and its utility in the database. The available properties change depending on the data types chosen for a field. That's all for this video. Next topic of this lesson will be covered in next video. Thank you.